Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add trusted friends in Roblox. If you're trying to give a friend more access to your Roblox experience, account features, or private content, and you're looking for a trusted friends option, this guide will explain what is and isn't available and show you the closest alternatives. Let's get started. Click on Friend to add trusted friends. Now click on three-dot line. If you can't find Trusted Friend option, here then go to Next Steps. Click on Add Friends. Now use my QR codes option to add trusted friends. Another smart process is using contacts. That's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you understand how Roblox friend permissions work, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel.